Draw and correct. Hello friends! Today I'm going to draw a ice cream. Now let's start. First I draw two diagonal lines. Draw the curve at the corner. Next I draw a curve in the middle and draw two side curves. And two more curves. Then draw two big curves for the ice cream. This gap, we will draw a cap. Draw a half circle. Draw a line. Draw curves to connect these. Add two lines. Now I draw closed eyes. I draw a circle for mouth. Draw two letters Z as sleepy. Draw a curve for melted ice cream. Now I draw a few diagonal lines right on the horn. I draw some eyelashes. Color time! I have finished drawing the ice cream. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!